The website itself, the UI is very user friendly and it looks very intuitive. I think that what you guys put together is very nice, and I think it'd be really helpful for a lot of students. Um, I'm just trying to recall what you said from before and like what now, like if there's any discrepancies and like just how I understood it and like what it is, but it looks really well done. Like I remember specifically the main thing you guys wanted to do is just kind of figure out what minimum grade we might need in certain assignments to do it. And oh, one question that I do have is let's just say that
Mhm.
I have maybe four assignments or like four things that are graded. I only have
Uh,
two of them, and my minimum grade that I want to get is a 90. How would it kind of like would it tell me the minimum grade I need on each one? Even if like I mean, my main question is how would it determine what grades I need to get if they're both weighted differently and there's two different like assignments? Because there'd be like multiple different like two like there'd be multiple different grades you could get to get the same outcome, if that makes sense. So it's like,
yeah,
how would this decide? Um, like I need an 80 in this and a 90 in this versus like a 70 and a 100. You know what I mean?
yeah. Basically, there are four assessments over here. I'll remove the midterm grade, and then we can just set a target grade, and we go on the dashboard. So the minimum scores are being calculated using an grading engine that we developed in the backend.
Mm-hmm.
Using that, you can see how much minimum marks do you need out of your remaining assessments to score your target grade, which is 90%.
That makes sense. Okay then. So it's the minimum grade and not like an ideal grade then.
Yeah, like this is
Okay
the
then.
minimum you need to,
Yeah.
get that target grade.
All right then.
And in any time, you can just change your target grade. For example, you just want a B plus grade, which is 75%. You go back to the dashboard, then it changes how much minimum you need in each of your assessments. So, yeah.
All right then. That makes sense.
Um, Thank you for your time, Dinesh, and we really appreciate your feedback.
Thank you for helping
Thanks
me.
a
Of
lot.
course.
Thank you so much.